Jeesh. Okay, this is gross. Hi guys, welcome to Be Thrifty 2. My name is Jasenia. In today's video, I have another home short tip for you. If you missed the last one, I will have it linked up here and I will have it in my description as well, so go check it out. Today we are going to fix a water damaged windowsill in my bathroom, so let's get started. Okay guys, so we have two options here. I can either take the entire piece off and replace it with a new fresh piece, or I can refill the hole. So I don't feel confident enough to do number one. I don't think I'm skilled enough yet. So we're gonna go with option number two, and that is refill and patch up the hole. And I also chose this option because I'm going to remodel my bathroom in the future anyway, so this is just temporary, just so that it doesn't continue to rot. I don't know whose brilliant idea it was to put a window in the bathtub / shower area, but it doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Yikes. This is what the damage looks like. The rest of the windowsill is in pretty good shape. It looks good and it feels pretty solid. So we're going to focus our attention where this hole is. So because this hole is pretty deep, I can almost fit my hand in the hole. I'm going to use expanding foam to fill most of it, and then I'm going to add a layer of wood filler on top of that. I am going to let the windowsill dry completely before I fill it because I don't want any moisture trapped in there. 1 week later. This stuff expands a lot, so I'm only going to use a little bit, and you'll see how big it gets. Please keep in mind that I am not an expert or a professional by any means. I am just here sharing my tips on how to maintain my home on the short term. So you take it for what it is. And I'm using a spatula just to push it down into those crevices, all those nooks and crannies in there, to make sure that it expands in those spaces. Okay, the foam is dry, and now I'm going to use this serrated knife. This is just a regular kitchen knife that I keep in my toolbox, and it's the best tool for doing this type of work. So I'm going to use it to cut off the excess. And I'm using a paintbrush to brush away any debris and dust. Next, I'm going to add a layer of wood filler over the entire sill, including that small hole that's on the side there. Okay, the wood filler is dry. Next, we are going to sand it with an electric sander. I want the windowsill to be as smooth and flat as possible because I do want to paint it. After sanding, I'm going to give it a nice thick coat of Flex Seal. This video is not sponsored, but I am going to try this product for the first time. This is in the liquid form, and I'm going to use a brush to apply it to the windowsill. This stuff is very thick and messy, and it doesn't smell great, so I'm glad I had the window open. I'm also going to caulk any gaps between the wall and the windowsill. This is what the Flex Seal looks like dry. It is shiny and smooth, and it feels like a thick layer of rubber. The hole in the windowsill is now filled. It feels firm and smooth. I was planning to paint the windowsill, so I sprayed it with this waterproof primer. But unfortunately, it did not stick to the Flex Seal. It just peeled right off. And it took some of the Flex Seal with it, so I had to give it a second coat of Flex Seal. I decided to leave the window as is, just with the Flex Seal, because it is white and I was thinking of painting it white, so it works out. All right, it's time to test it. It's looking good, guys. Look how the water runs right off. And it's beading. It's not soaking in. So I'm very pleased. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Alright guys, thank you for joining me on this video today. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Let's keep being thrifty together. Bye!